So I will answer the question, Deputy, but I would ask you maybe to speak to your party leader, because I wrote to her asking her why was she objecting to student accommodation at Cabra. I see a report on Breaking News again today that Deputy Mayor Lynn MacDonald has again objected, along with some councillors.
I'm sorry.
So, but I think we all have to be consistent with this, and I think it's disingenuous to come into a committee grilling me rightly about student accommodation, and then your party leader is objecting to student accommodation the same day. To me, that's an inconsistent position.
Well, if you had been given the TU Dublin the right to apply for loans for student accommodation, they have the plans and they have the land to have the student accommodation.
So we would do both.
There.
We would do both.
But in terms of that, I'm asking you the question. Is this debate not for me to ask you questions?
It's for me to reply as well.
Well, I think the way you deal with this, just to go on the attack, is wrong. I'm asking you questions.
I haven't even had the courtesy of a
students.
letter. I haven't even had the courtesy of a response from Deputy MacDonald. I've written to her twice now, because your own statements,
are you not going
Deputy
to answer
O'Brien
this question?
and Deputy MacDonald, have all been inconsistent. You have cited the McDermott report, which looked for immediate rent resets, which meant students would have been facing a rent reset every single September. You cited that in support of that report. Deputy O'Brien in Sunday Business Post said he didn't agree with that. He was actually agreeing with what I did, which was spare students for 3 years. And then Deputy MacDonald is saying, actually, let's object to the student housing in Cabra. So that's three different positions in the one party.
Your three